Tenant Induction, setting up tenancies for success. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in the Manawatu and the Taura region. Good tenant found, lease signed, job done, right? Well, not even close. Some landlords email the lease, get it signed, hand over the keys. Later, problems often start appearing. Tenant induction is the first step in the EEL formula. That's EEL. Education, expectation, and lead by example. This is my approach to building strong tenant relationships. If you haven't seen my video about it, there's a link in the description. Skip this step and you're setting up everyone to fail. Here's how we do it at Always Property Management. Start educating tenants early. Even during the tenancy, show them how things work and where things are, or at some other point before the tenancy starts. This helps prevent problems later. When signing a lease, we suggest meeting face-to-face, either in person or over Zoom. Have a real conversation and go over the tenancy documents before emailing. Set expectations up front. We give tenants our vacating checklists when they sign up, not at move out. From day one, they know what's expected, so there's no surprises. We go over the ingoing and condition report, explain what fair wear and tear is, and stress the importance of noting any defects, damage, or things that aren't working. Tenants fill it out and return it. Why we do this? You can't expect tenants to meet standards you haven't explained. This is how education and expectation work together. To lead by example, we show up, of course, on time. We're thorough and answer any questions. We show the professionalism we want to see from our tenants. The result is that tenants know what's required and feel supported, not confused. When it's time to move out, there's no argument about cleaning standards, or very seldom, because everyone has agreed from the start. A proper induction takes about an hour, could be a little bit less, and can save you months of headaches later. In the next video, I'll show you how what happens during the tenancy and how we keep using the EEL formula. Hey, look, I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. And if you do have a rental property in our area and need help, well, why don't we chat? Making life easier for landlords is what we do.